Today we learn the sound of letter I. First I tell you the story of letter I. Our family has a white pet mouse. One night the cage door is left open and the mouse escapes. It runs along the desk and knocks over an ink bottle. The mouse is splashed by the ink. It squeaks and tries to scrub it off. Now the mouse is called Inky. What is the action of letter I? Wiggle your finger over your mouth. This is the action of letter I. This is mama letter I and this is baby letter I. But mama letter don't have a sound. Baby letter has a sound. How to write a letter I? Small standing line and a monkey tail and the small circle above it. What is the sound of letter I? Invitation. Ill. Itch. Igloo. Now it's your turn to write a letter I. Small standing line and a monkey tail and a small circle above it. What is the song of letter I? Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Inky is the wet. Thank you.